Hello again. I am going to meet Britney Spears. Hello, Britney. We look like twins. It's your birthday today. So, do you like chocolate? Because I'm going to make a very good chocolate cake for you.
Annie, kommer du nu?
I'm coming. Eric.
We should have some surgery for our lips now. Come on, Annie.
No.
Do you want to go on a bordel again?
No.
Okay, Annie.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Say goodbye to Hollywood and Britney.
Goodbye, Britney.
And you too.
Hello, Hollywood.